Alright guys, so I wanted to show you my garden, see what it's looking like. Last year we planted in the backyard in just a little flower bed for the last 2 years, but we got brave and our neighbor suggested that we plant over here, and it's working out great. So hubby's gonna tell you what's in the garden.
Alright, so what we have up front, these two little beds here are just some sunflowers right here. You can look right here, they're coming up pretty good. Sunflowers in both of these. And some, one of the little things you plant, the flowers. Some flowers.
That I got from Dollar Tree.
Now in this bed, we got some bush beans. And they don't look too good, so we got to keep an eye on them. Got one that's doing pretty well too. So if they're not going to do well in a couple more weeks, I'll just take them up and plant something else in there. But over here to the right, we've got greens planted. All these are greens. Some beets. They're not coming up yet, so greens take a little time to come up, but when they come up good. So we're just going to wait on that. So let's walk back here. We go back. We did this in 4 squares to kind of make it a little easy for us. I won't have anything planted here, so these are just weeds coming up, so we have to get those up. But we have 2 rows of okra right here. If you go down a little bit, you can see where the okra is starting to sprout up. They're starting to sprout up. We have to clean the weeds out. Got 2 rows of okra. If you look over here, it's sprouting up too. So when you come over the back bed, what we have is cantaloupe and watermelon. And that's going to take a minute. So it's just 3 rows of watermelon and a row of cantaloupe. So right now they're not. It's going to take a little bit for them to come up. So that's going to take a while, but they're back here by themselves, isolated. You can see a little something coming up here out of the ground on one of the watermelon rows, but we'll wait on that. But what we did, if you look at the big long row here, this is corn. And look how it's getting ready to start doing its thing. My wife actually planted that. She put a seed right beside each other, ½ inch apart. So that's why the corn is so close, which is fine. So that corn looks good. So let's go up here to the front.
Y'all see all my work?
Yes.
What about this? What's this one right here?
Flowers. You just planted those flowers as a buffer. That's going to take a minute for them to decide what they want to do.
Now, why do you plant a buffer?
For the bees and to insects and that come and kill you stuff. You hope that they'll eat the buffer stuff instead of coming into your garden.
Okay.
So up here, what we planted was beans. These are all beans. Bush beans, blue lake beans, and you can see here, they're starting to sprout up. Starting to sprout up, and then those blue lakes are doing real good. So they're coming up real good.
The blue lakes are the big ones?
Yeah, blue lake.
Okay, so this first one is what kind of?
That's a
bush
bean. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so then you come next door, blue lake.
That corn I planted, y'all.
Corn's really good. So it's still good. Blue lake doing good. And this is that cypress. What was that? See what it's called. I have to go look at it. It's the cypress burlesque. So I have to see exactly what that is. But it's doing real well.
I'll put it on the screen for you guys.
Yeah, the burlesque. And then we have another bean down here. We have a bean here in the middle. It's not doing anything yet, so I'm not quite sure what's going on with that one. But then the other beans on the end are doing good. So the rain helped us a lot. We don't have anything in this last bed yet, so we're going to till it up. This is where we're going to plant greens, Swiss chard, and different things in here. So we're going to go ahead and hurry up and get that done this week before the rain comes back on Thursday.
And then what's in that first bed?
Then up here, we've got some stuff. Looks like a bunch of weeds, but it's not. We've got some beets. We've got some zucchini. And then we've got, I have to go look and see what these 2 are. And then these 2 are here. I think one is, you have to forgive me, I just got through cutting grass, so I can't think right now. But zucchini, beets, and bell pepper. I think that's a turnip.
Okay.
So,
There's some carrots out here somewhere?
Yeah. Carrots. I'm sorry. That's carrot.
Okay.
And then right over those three things, we have our tomatoes. We have one tomato planted. We got to plant the other tomatoes this week too before it gets too wet.
So you got rain.
We got rain the last couple days. Heavy rain. So it kind of kept us out, but I think the crops loved it. We're gonna try to get out here this week before the rain on Thursday, get some stuff planted, and keep it going. Looking good.
Looking good. It is looking good. So you designed this. You planned out all the rows and designed your rows.
Yeah, we just wanted to keep it simple. We didn't want to have a big space, so we wanted to 4 square to make it short and simple. We can get to it easy. So we keep all our beans together, all our greens together, all our watermelons together, all okra and stuff like that together. We're gonna plant some more stuff back here with the okra, some squash, and a couple more things. But so we just made it simple and easy to get to. So that's how we set it up.
It looks really pretty.
And over here is our little just sit down bench. And when you want to come out, just sit in the garden. These are tomato racks. We'll put them up in a little while. You can just come sit in the garden and just look at it and enjoy. You come look at it from here. You can see some of the things coming up and be grateful for what you got.
So you live in a suburban area. How does that work?
As far as
Neighbors or is our neighbor happy?
Yeah, he keeps his garden in the back, so he's happy. He likes it. He's the one suggested make it bigger than he wanted it bigger than this, but I think this is big enough for what we want to do. So we're gonna leave it this size, and we'll see what happens.
Okay. All right. So you sit out here with your wife and you play horseshoe.
Yeah, we're trying to figure out if we want to play horseshoe.
All right, guys. As you can tell, we're in a suburban area, so there's always cars, always traffic, so you can grow anywhere you want to grow. You don't have to be out in the country, deep in the country. You can grow anywhere you got land, anywhere you can put a pot, anywhere you can put a flower bed. Just grow and get started. Any advice for new people who are starting to grow?
Just do it.
Just do it. This is where we started the garden, back here in this flower bed. And now it's just basically a compost pile. You can go check that out as well. And then we did have a few plants last year over in this area, but now we decided to use the bigger lot over here. So yeah, that's what it's looking like. This was too shady, so nothing really grew over here, so that didn't work well. But this is the garden, and we're really proud of it, and we hope to have some amazing things for you guys to come try and come eat. So, So come eat with us, hang out with us over on Craft Farms, and we'll see you guys real soon. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get off of here. Just wanted to show you a quick video of our garden, what it's looking like. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want to see more garden videos, more farm videos, go and check out the Craft Farms channel, which I will leave a link to that channel below. So in the meantime, in between time, you guys, happy manifesting. Hope you're manifesting the life that you want and you are making your dreams come true.